Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix HP Hotkey Support blank pop-up error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to search for HP Hotkey UWP Service. You just need to double click on that service and then set this to disabled and select apply and OK for save changes. And after disabling this service HP Hotkey UWP service, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Just click on it and select go to site, and it will be automatically start downloading. After getting download done, click on it and install it. Select yes. Now select next and I agree and select next. Select next. After getting installation finish, you just need to select finish and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.